How to remove wine stains from carpet. Grab some paper towel and gently blot the stain. Do not scrub. Pour a bit of cold water directly onto the wine stain. Doing this helps dilute what remains of the stain, making blotting easier. Continue blotting until you find that no more of the stain will come out. Prepare a baking soda paste by mixing a 3-to-1 ratio of water to baking soda and applying it to the affected area. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the paste is dry, then vacuum the stain. In a small bowl, pour 2 cups of warm water with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. Dip a sponge into the bowl and begin applying the solution directly onto the wine stain. Continue blotting until the stain is lifted. Rinse the area with a small amount of cold water. Blot dry with a paper towel or vacuum away any excess liquid. For more spot cleaning solutions, visit spotremoval.coit.com.